So you can see his apprentice here is putting it on fire and then shaping it up. So this is where they heat the metal, and when it reaches a certain temperature, that's when the apprentice here will start banging on to flatten the end. So here I am on the place of our welder here, and this is the update of my gate. So you can see up there, it's such a big gate, isn't it? And he makes another bar in the middle of those. He told me that he will make a bar across here, like what he's doing here, to make it stronger. I told him you can just design the way you want it, as long as it does almost copy the one I have at home. So this is how they do it. They are now fabricating the curls and curves. This is just one side of the gate. So you can see here that they've been working on it. Oh, ako bitang giingnan. So he put a bar in the middle, 2 bars, so it will not shake. Butangan sa to nimo katong lock gi ana. Oh nya. Nya, pareha-pareha gud ato ba ganyan nasa para aron dili magsigig uyog-uyog. So this is now how it looks like. So he got his trainee here. Lagi? Ako lang. Ana answer dan. Nya katusang uwan sige sa tagyaw-yaw. He said it's very hot today. I said yeah, when it was raining yesterday, everyone's also moaning, including me, about the rain. So you can see how it get along now. It's coming up, and they are doing the curls on the top. If you notice my gate on the front, you got some curve design. Then that's how they do it. I will just see what they're doing there now. Ako na. So, oh, mau lagi ni inani sa bibi po. So they have it on the ang mga kuan na no, mga curling katong curl ina ginana sa tunamo gikayo gid na tunamo. So na daob jud mo nang butangan kahoy ana ba. So they are not doing the curve, but they have put some air. Si kuha naman ito nagtrabaho, nididtura niya, kayo lagi magigamit, kanang daob jud. So that's how they do it here. They put it on the fire and then shape it up and curl it up. So di na gikad mong hangin siya dan. So they put blower on it so it can heat up. Okay. Lagi gamay ra bitaw amo adjud kato guys amo ang paghimo ana kay daob uy. No. So I said when my gate was made before, it was on a proper fire. This one they only put charcoal and then a blower. It still works. Nyara dong ba? Gawas ako dong. Aga. May ganang auto ha. Oy, nyara ka diyot. So that's how they do it here. So that's the latest update of my gate. I'm just passing through. I need to go because someone's cutting the tree where I parks. Sige, Sir Dan! Balik-balik lang niya ako kagi.